Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Buju Nana Buju podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Buju, and this right here, this is Natasha.
And the road is closed, still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be a cool recess beneath these old pine trees. I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on skin. And I know it never once crossed your mind, but you left me down in the dirt, and I was so far behind. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do we have? How long can we last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on
Oh, that's really pretty, sweetie. Hey, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Buju Nana Buju, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. I am Nana Buju, and this is Natasha.
from what I've seen. Nothing's meant to last, but I can't move forward, and I'm living in the past. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do I have? How long can I last? I don't remember where I've been. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said.
What? No, it's fine.
I lost my job just the other day, and like everybody else, well, I've got a mountain of bills that need to be paid. Then I lost my way, now I don't know which way to go. But the wind may blow and the grass may grow, and for all we know, well, it just might snow. And what'll I do? What have we become when the day is over and the night's begun? What'll I do about me and you? I told you before, we are so through. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Michael loves Natasha. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I
Hey, Stephen, how you doing today? I'm doing quite well, Natasha. How are you?
Late last night in my bedroom, a stranger came from beyond the moon, and he said he was here to learn and to teach that which was beyond our reach. His eyes were huge and his mouth was small. He moved like liquid at 4 feet tall. I was so scared I was screaming inside. Then he gave me a smoke, it eased my mind. We spoke about space and a lost earthling lover. I felt kinda strange when he asked, how's your how's she been since I've been away? Casting shadows from electric blue light, an alien sat on my bed last night, and I saw my reflection in his ebony eyes. Then I knew the truth and I knew the lies. He said, you're my flesh and my blood, you're my precious one. You're my flesh and my blood, but it's time to go. My earthling son, it's time to go. Earthling son, earthling sun, it's time to go. Earthling sun, it's time we go. It's time to go. It's time to go. It's time to go. sad parting farewell kiss. Goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. And tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends. I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long years. I was lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. And tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends. I'm never coming back here again. Well, I put you on a pedestal until you were no longer credible. I put you up so you can let me down. Maybe it's finally time to leave this little town. Does she really like North Dakota? Would she rather live here in Minnesota? The days are short and the nights are colder. She doesn't know because I never told her. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. And tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends. I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends. But I'm never coming back here again.
I'm just playing a little guitar here. How you doing? And I was thinking about my grandpa. I was thinking about Nima Shomas' grandpa. My grandpa went to boarding school. He went to Flandreau Indian School back in the day. And if you ever wonder why more of us don't speak Ojibwe, a lot of that can be traced back to the boarding school era. When my grandpa went to boarding school, it was strictly forbidden to speak Ojibwe at all. They tried to, they had a mission at the school there that say to save the child by killing the Indian. And so they tried to make the kids forget that they were Anishinaabe, and they wouldn't allow them to speak their language or, have long hair or any of that. So I wrote a song. This song is called Home. And it's about my grandpa who was born in 1913. And it's called Home.
I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school I was nobody's fool down at Flandreau. I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. This is no way to live. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go
All right, let's just start this from the beginning.
And on a fateful day, me and my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to the tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back. They took us back. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I said I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go.
Yeah, it's just it's just one of those things. It was like, oh geez, well, if you're really sure, buddy, then I'm really gonna miss you.
I remember it still. I saw her whippoorwill on my windowsill. How could I sit still? I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, think you're going? Boy, I said I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I said I'm going home.
Oh, I'm sorry, but this is just something I gotta do. And I'm gonna miss you. I know.
I wanna go.
I'm gonna miss you too.
I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go.
Let's see, how can we start? Well, I guess I'll just sort of, I can like look around, like pretend we're talking while the music's going on. Yeah, that's a good idea. Hey, bonjour! Bonjour, Nij Anishinabe Du. Welcome back to Bonjour, Nana Bonjour. And, just want to make a quick announcement. There's a new album of songs out, and it's called Rock and Roll All Night Podcast Every Day. And it's just some songs. It's a whole bunch of songs we did recently on this podcast. So click on over and listen to some music from this sweetie. I'll get out of here. Yeah, okay. And miigwech. I will see you again. Yigo abamin, minawa. Oh, wow. Alright, that was pretty easy. Yeah.
Alright, can we get quiet on the set, y'all? Recording We Slip Out, take one, We Slip Out. Alright, boss, whenever you're ready. Okay.
We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves
Hey, why don't you say goodbye?
Alright. Well, you have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana Boozhoo. I will see you again. Giga Waba Mid, Minawa. Oh,
I don't know. You think that was good for a show?
oh yeah, that was great.
Hey, Boozhoo. Welcome back to the show. My name is Mukwa. Mukwa Nindija Nakaz. And we're going to do a little song for you right about now. The song is called Will I Ever See You Again? All right, you all ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready, Nana Boozhoo?
Oh, yeah, whenever you are.
All right, let's do this. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go.
I remember one night and the casual fight by candlelight as the room grew dim. You lied to me when you talked about him. I remember your ways and you and me and a sad embrace. I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Well, will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. I remember one day and you and me in a pouring rain, water ran down my chin. So you pulled me close and you drank it in. I remember your ways and you and me in a sad embrace. But I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I was then, this is now. If life's a stage, then take a bow. Will I ever see you again? I don't think I'll ever see you again. Will I ever see you again? I don't think I'll ever see you again.
All right, that was real good, everyone. Well, thank you for watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Muckwa, and I will see you again. Gigawaba men, Menawa, Hawa.
And, yeah, good enough. Anything you want to add here, sweetie?
Well, you know, just the usual. Don't forget to visit our Patreon page. It's in the link down here. And we also have a PayPal if you want to buy us a cup of coffee or a cup of makare mash kiki wabu or a cup of honey bish, you know, tea.
Emily's got one crazy eye. She looks to the west and she looks to the sky. Don't ask her how she sees. Don't ask her what it means. I can only say I've seen better days. This is my mistake. You have no idea it could be asleep before it finally wakes. And we've been here before, wrestling on the floor, pleading for God's sakes. But time and time again I tell my lonely friends I don't know what's at stake.
And otherwise, just come on over to YouTube. We got some more videos and, you know, more music over there. So yeah, just that. Back to you, Donna Boozhoo.
Okay, thank you.
And Emily knows something about blow. Dizzy white snowflakes find their way right up her nose. Don't
just don't mind, blah, 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 blah.
You have been watching Boozhoo, Not a Boozhoo.
The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Not a Boozhoo. And I will see you again. Iga waba min, minawa. Hawa.